Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to update VS Code in 2026. Keeping Visual Studio Code updated can give you access to new features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and important compatibility changes. So let's get started. First, open VS Code on your computer. Then, open the application menu and look for the option to check for updates. Depending on your operating system and current version, the update option may appear in a different location. If a newer version is available, VS Code will provide instructions for downloading and installing it. Follow the prompts and allow the update process to continue. Before restarting the application, save any open files and make sure you don't have unfinished work that could be lost. The update may require VS Code to restart before the new version becomes active. Once the update is finished, open VS Code again and check the version information. This lets you confirm that the application has been updated successfully. You can also review the release notes to learn what changed in the new version. Updates can include improvements to the editor, terminal, debugging tools, extensions, performance, and overall stability. If the built-in update option isn't available or doesn't work, you can download the latest version from the official Visual Studio Code website. Installing the newer version over your existing installation can update the application while keeping your projects available. It's still a good idea to keep backups of important projects before making major software changes. This is especially useful if you're working on something important or have customized your development environment. After updating, check your extensions and projects to make sure everything works as expected. If an extension has compatibility issues, check whether an updated version is available. Keeping VS Code updated regularly can save you from running into issues caused by outdated software, and that's how to update VS Code. With the latest version installed, you can take advantage of new features and improvements while keeping your development environment current. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next